After years of being involved in the smart home scene, we came to realize that good lighting is as important as any other gadget that can smartify and increase the ambience of our home. With that in mind, we recently got our hands on this closet light from Lightbiz, and honestly, it's giving off this minimal yet fancy vibe, and we're really excited to try it out. So let's just go ahead and take it out of the box, shall we? So these are all that we found inside the package. We have 5 sleek light bars that appear thinner and almost have no weight to them, a fun-sized remote, a handful of magnetic strips for easy mounting, and most importantly, a stylish charging dock with a USB-C to A cable. There's also an instruction manual on how to use it, but we'll show you that anyway, so let's set them up. So we'll be installing them on a studio cabinet, which is filled with props and equipment that we often use. As our studio setup is mostly dark, it often gets tiresome to find the things that we need. So let's just start with peeling the tape off of the magnetic strips and attaching them inside the cabinet. Now we can go ahead and turn on the light by long pressing the power button before attaching them. Next, we're going to simply attach 2 of the light bars on these strips, and just like that, they seamlessly clicked onto it. So this is what the inside of the cabinet looks while the lights are turned off, and this is how it looks while on. But most importantly, these lights were a huge help during midnight when we got up to take a sip in the kitchen. We did not have to go through the hassle of finding the switch, as the motion helped the lights to turn up automatically. As we only used 2 of the 5 light bars in our cabinet, we decided to use the rest of them on our computer desk and kitchen cabinet. After playing with the light bar for a couple of minutes, we found that there are actually 3 modes for it. These include night and day mode as well as an always on mode. You get the idea about how the always on mode works, but the coolest part is the other 2. In day mode, there's a visible red light inside of the bar, and we notice that the light glows up automatically whenever any kind of motion is detected, which indeed is pretty cool. Then there's the night mode, which although works pretty similarly but needs to have enough darkness in the room before turning the lights on. Now, we were able to do all of that and more with the dedicated remote that we found while unboxing it. As you can see, all 3 modes are listed on the right along with some brightness adjustment buttons on the left. Surprisingly, we also got to see plenty of timer buttons for the lights, and the 10-minute timer was the one that we preferred. Each of the light bars lasted for about 15 days before needing to be charged up again, and charging up the light bars was pretty convenient as well thanks to the dedicated dock that came with it. When we placed one of the bars on the dock, a red indicator light popped up, and for about 2 hours it turned blue, and that's how we knew they were ready to be used again. The dock itself has a small form factor and took minimal desk space. The snowy exposure of it blended perfectly with the rest of our desk accessories, which is a huge plus. But we would also like to mention that each of the lights has a dedicated USB-C port on each, so if you prefer to charge them via cable, you can do just that. Everything considered, Lightbiz did an amazing job with this one. The setup process was hassle-free, and we got to bring modern illumination to our closet, desk, and kitchen. We were also thinking about finding creative ways to use these because there are so many possibilities with it. You can use them on your stairs, bedroom, and even inside of your car. It added a touch of convenience and elegance to our home, and we highly recommend it for you to try it out. So that was all about the Lightbiz LED Closet Light. Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video to be helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.